All right, boys and girls, so I have my gingerbread house all colored in. And again, I just picked some big shapes to paint, and then the rest of it I painted brown. So I added a nice background. My hearts, of course, I had to color in pink. And my windows are yellow, that way it looks like there's some lights on. Now what I'm gonna do is all those beautiful designs I did in pencil, I'm gonna make them bright white, kind of like icing on top of our cookie. Now this might be tricky if you don't have the supplies, it's okay, but I've been testing some, and here are some options for you if you don't have white paint. So of course, white paint is the best because it'll be nice and bright on top of our watercolor, but you could use white color pencil or white oil pastel. All these will work. So I've done some white oil pastel around this window, and I'll show you what the white pencil looks like on top. So you can still see it a little bit. It's not as dark as the paint, but that'll work too. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I found the tiniest little brush I could find, and I'm gonna use it with my white paint, and I'm gonna paint over all of my little details. And then we'll see what it looks like in the end. And I'm also gonna paint some icing dripping and maybe some snow in the sky. You know, just gonna have a good old time. So here I go. All right, boys and girls, there's my gingerbread house. The white really makes it look like a gingerbread house. So if you have white paint, you can use that, or something else that's white, like a white pen, white color pencil, or even white oil pastel will work. So I hope you had fun on this one. I'll see you later. Bye.